Hello, I am Chrysanthi and I live in Ceres. I like playing chess with my family and friends. I also go athletics twice a week. My favorite subject is maths and I like science experiments.
My name is Rebecca. I love dancing and I go modern dance twice a week. My favorite video game is Roblox.
Hi, my name is Domain. I have 5 dogs. I play badminton. My favorite subject is science.
Hi, my name is Chrisa. My favorite hobby is Krav Maga. I like playing chess. My favorite subject is science experiments.
My name is Fotis. I play basketball and I play PlayStation. My favorite series is Cobra Kai. I like the stories of mythology.
Hi, my name is Alan. I love dogs and piano. Also, I do gymnastics and my favorite subject is physical education.
Hello, my name is Elias. I live in Greece, specifically in Ceres. My hobbies are Taekwondo, English, and German classes. I like living in Ceres because it's a pretty big city with a population of around 70,000 people.
My name is Paschalia. I like Halloween and I love Christmas. Twice a week I go to my dance studio because I like dancing so much.
My name is Erifili. I'm 11 years old and I go on third primary school. My hobbies are art and dancing. My favorite subject is physical education and I love dogs.
Hi, my name is Christina. I live in Ceres. My favorite food is sushi. My favorite hobby is dancing. I have one cat. His name is Checker.
Hi, my name is George. I live in Ceres and I have one cat. And my favorite food is chicken nuggets. My name is Chris. I'm from Greece, specifically Ceres. My favorite hobby is playing basketball and my favorite video game is Roblox.
My name is Dimos. My hobbies are basketball and playing video games like Roblox. I like robotics and programming.
Hi, my name is John. I play football. My favorite video game is Roblox. My favorite food is pasta. My favorite hero is the Little Prince.